Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to calculate any number in Microsoft Word. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open the Microsoft Word software. On opening the software for the first time, select blank documents. Now here what you need to do is, firstly, before proceeding, you need to click on this down arrow as you can see on the top above. So right now I'm using a Microsoft Word 2013. Whether you are using a 2007, the process will be the same, or you are using a 2016 or 2019 version, whatever it may be, the process will be the same. So just click on this down arrow. After clicking on this down arrow, just click on this more comments. Now under this option, as you can see here, just click on this down arrow and you need to select this comments not in the ribbon. So just click on it, just drag it and search for one name that is named as calculate. Just select it. Now you can see here add, just click on it to add it here and just click on OK. Now you can see here a ring separate icon gets appeared on the top of the toolbar, that is, you can see here. Now what you need to do is, now type any number. Say I will type 1 plus 3. So after typing this, just select this number. After selecting this number, just click on this ring separate, just click on it. Now you will get the result here. The result of the calculation is 4. That is 1 plus 3 equal to 4 you can get. So similarly, if you do any like multiplication, say 2 into 3, just select, just click on this again. Now you can see the result of the calculation is 6. That is 2 into 3 is 6. So in this way you can calculate any number in your Microsoft Word very easily by enabling this calculate button. So you can enable by clicking on this down arrow, or you can just go to the files and you can go to the options, and under the option sections you can see here quick access toolbar, and after that you can click on this commands not in the ribbon and you can select the calculate and click OK. Or you can use the first process which I have shown by clicking this toolbar and by going to this more comments. So in this way you can easily calculate any number in Microsoft Word 2007, 2010 or whatever version of Microsoft Word you are using. The process will remain the same. So if you never known these cool tricks, then try it out by yourself. I'm sure you will glad to know about it. And if you find this video tutorial useful, feel free to share with your friends and relatives. I'm sure they will be glad to know about it too. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.